Awareness of online safety. Introduction. Internet safety or online safety or cyber safety or e-safety is trying to be safe on the internet and is the act of maximizing users' awareness of personal safety and security risk to private information and property associated with using the internet and the self-protection from computer crime. Are women safe on the internet? Problems encountered by women in social media and its prevention measures. The purpose of women's safety in social media is secure that all women in social networks could be safe. Conversation between two friends. Hi dear, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also good. What are you doing with your mobile?
I'm using social media.
Don't spend more time on internet and don't waste your precious time with unknown persons. Nowadays, women are facing many problems by using social media. Many issues are there, especially what happened on Pollach. Do you really know who you are chatting to in social media?
Don't know, but I'm chatting only with girls.
Oh, okay, fine. But someone online may be lying about who they are. So, keep safe. Don't give out your personal information. Women Privacy Toolkit using online. Don't share passwords. In no condition, you should share the password of your accounts with anyone because if anyone wants to avenge something from you, then they can do it quite easily by damaging your social image, which is perhaps one of the most important aspects of a woman's life these days. Don't leave your web connected. There are too many apps capable of turning on your camera and slyly recording your movements without your knowledge. Keep the lens of your camera closed or covered when not in use. Don't meet online acquaintances alone. Always let your friends and family know where you are going and who you are meeting. Make sure you meet the person in a crowded coffee shop or mall. Update all operating systems on your devices. They can be nuisance, but they are very important to keep you safe. Security updates and patches keep the latest threats away. Always install them no matter how busy you are. Block people you don't want to interact with. Never feel while declining friend requests from people you barely know. Trust your instinct and ignore, unfriend or block them. You get to choose who stays on your friend list. Online games. How do online games ruins the life of youngsters today? There are many such highly competitive and violent games available on mobile and internet. When you have a gaming addiction, it's common to feel frustrated when you talk to normal people, your friends, family, or just people you run into on a daily basis because it's hard to communicate what's really going on. The role of online education and its impact. Online education is a form of education where students use their home computers through the internet. For many non-traditional students, among them all those who want to continue working full-time or raising families, online graduations and courses have become popular in the past decade. Students are attending classes through internet. When kids attend the class through internet, every parents can't able to stay with them to monitor. So, parents has to use the parental control settings which found on digital devices and services. The software and tools that allow parents to set controls on their children's internet use. How to protect your kids from online? Don't allow kids to browse online. Teach your kids about protecting their privacy. Instruct your child never to click on pop-ups or subscribe to e-newsletters. Monitor what your kids post online. We deserve to be safe. Fight back, be alert. Stranger danger. Be smart, do smart, but safety first. Online safety is important for each and every person. It's increasingly important to know how to protect ourselves and our family while online.